There are defined geometric points on every entity that you place into a drawing. If I click on a circle, I'll zoom in a little, you can see that the center of the circle is marked with a handle or a grip. If I pick on an arc, similarly, I've got a series of markers. If I pick on a line, I've got an end point and a midpoint marked. They're known as, or they're not known as, but one can place new objects into the drawing by using those grips or handles. For the sake of argument, if we wanted to put another circle in here, say as a planting hole for a major tree to go in that space there, we would want it centered on the center of this arc here. We can make sure we do that quite easily by picking our command, so draw a circle, center radius. The prompt says specify the center point for the circle. What we'll now do is we'll go to this Entity Snap toolbar, and I'll show you other ways of doing it in a moment. Snap to center, and as I bring my pointer somewhere near the circumference of that, or the arc itself, my pointer snaps to the center point there, and I can place a larger circle centered on the center point of the arc. Learning to manipulate those entity snaps is really important. This toolbar through here gives you access to an endpoint snap, a midpoint snap, circle, snap to a node, an intersection and perpendicular, and so on. You can also reach those via Tools and Object Snap. So if you click here to Settings, you can turn Object Snap settings on, and many people do this. You can run with an endpoint on and, let's say, a center on, and OK it. Now, if I was to, for the sake of argument, draw a line from here, as I get near the center of that circle, it latches onto it, and I come over here, it can latch to the end of the line. So this line might be a water line, would run from here precisely to the center of that circle, then back to the end point. It's almost a nonsense illustration there, so I'll remove it. But can you see, learning to manipulate those settings is really important. Quite important in my view to understand, if we go back to Object Snap and Settings, clearing all, get them off. Otherwise you'll find as you're doing it, you tend to forget they're on when you're doing something else. Placing entities will jump and set themselves at points you least expect, and that's because that object settings has been left on. So I hope that gives you some introduction, if you like, to Object Snap and Object Snap modes.